Yeah, welcome to another edition of Masterclass by Ron K. I want to just take you through how to use the ITAAW platform, ITAAW distribution platform, to distribute your music. So sit back and let me take you through the process. I'm going to be starting with how to sign up, which to me everybody should know how to do, but for the purpose of being easy on you, we're going to take you through it step by step so you can understand how to go through using our website itaaw.com. And now let me first start by telling you ITAAW means ITAAW, which is actually an acronym for It's Time All Artists Win. That's the acronym. It's Time All Artists Win. So it's a very beautiful website. You can see it has some, very nice video playing in the background, and this videos changes over time if you stay long on the website. So, since you don't have an account, all you need to do is to click on sign up. So I'm clicking on sign up, and it's gonna take me to the page where I'll be putting in my details. This looks very small. Let me increase this so that it can be clearer. All right, that's better. So now, at this point, I need to tell you, most artists wants to be able to register their artist name. At this point on the registration in the registration process, you don't need your artist name. All you need is your original government approved name or first name and last name, your first name and your surname, depending on where you are. So now let me start putting the information. Info at itaaw.com. I'm going to be using that email and putting my name. My name is Kolade. And my surname is Ajayi. Okay, so what country am I? I'm in Nigeria. So I'm in Lagos. All right. So are you paying tax? Of course, yes, I am. Password. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters. Retype your password, and then choose your language correctly, please. Some people always make mistakes here. They will put Afrikaans. I think you should just use English if you is English speaking person, so that you will not get confused. So now the point here is to before we go to agreeing to terms and conditions, there's a place here that is optional. A referral code. A referral code is a code that is given to you by somebody that referred you to ITAAW. This so that ITAAW system can recognize that this person is the one that introduced our website to you. So if somebody gave you a referral code, please put this at this point. But if you don't have a referral code, we can leave it. It's optional. It's not compulsory. All right. So now at this point here is for you to agree to the terms and conditions. So I want to advise you to make sure you read the terms and conditions, which is similar to what you have in a contract, so that you can understand what the website is going to do or the website will not do. So very important. Don't forget this, please. It's very important before you agree. So I agree to terms and conditions. All you need to do is just click sign up. So when you click sign up, an email is going to be sent. So you can see here, it says you've signed up successfully. To continue, click the activation link, valid for 24 hours. sent to your email address. Please also check your spam folder in case it doesn't get to your inbox. So I'm going to go to my email to access the registration or activation link, so that I can click on that activation link and activate the registration. Okay, so here is the activation link. Here is the email from ITAAW. All right, so that comes straight to your email. So please, like, you might want to check your spam folder. Yeah, people that use Gmail, you might want to check whether it's in your updates or your any other folder. So just make sure you look for it. So all you need to do is to click this link, and then your registration will be activated. So click activate. Bam, and we are right inside. Welcome to ITAAW. This is it. This is how to register. I hope you find this very useful. If you have any other questions, don't forget to always send us an email on support@itaaw.com. Thank you for listening.